Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to add a Razorpay as payment option? Follow this step-by-step guide to integrate Razorpay into WooCommerce and offer secure payment options to your customers. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So there is multiple ways that you can add Razorpay as your payment gateway in WooCommerce. First one is basically by heading up to your WordPress or WooCommerce store and basically clicking and joining the dashboard. Once you have done that, you will find the menu right here, click on plugins and click on add new. Then search here for Razorpay. After you do so, you will find dozens of plugins. So choose exactly what you want. Do you want Razor for WooCommerce or Razor subscriptions for WooCommerce? Because there is difference between them. Also make sure that the download is high and the rating is high to make sure that the plugin is the correct one. This is the one that we are going to go for. It has been last updated 6 days ago. So let's click on it and read about it and understand what it does. So Razorpay allows you to accept credit cards, debit card, net banking, wallet, and UPI payments in India and FPX, e-wallet, Do It Now, and Malaysia. This is the official Razorpay payment gateway plugin for WooCommerce, a system designed to handle end-to-end payments. Accepts payments via 100 plus payment modes, domestic and international credit and debit cards. Pay later, net banking, UPI and mobile wallets, including Geo Money, MobiKwik, Airtel Money, Freecharge, Ola Money, and PayZapp in India. This is all the banks that accept. There is like more. Like there is an APX, Do It Now, WeWallet, etc. etc. Get a feature filled and easy to integrate checkout with card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Union Pay, etc. Saved across businesses so that customers can pay seamlessly everywhere, both domestic and international. This plugin allows for refunds, works across all browsers, and is compatible with the latest WooCommerce. So this is very important. It boosts conversions with international customers paying in their local currency and keeps your data safe with the robust security that comes with PCI DSS Level 1 compliance. This is compatible with WooCommerce from 4.0 and higher. Including the new 9.0 release, it has been tested up to the 9.1.2 WooCommerce release. Now, what are the benefits of using Razorpay? You get started in minutes with seamless onboarding, Razorpay registration link via 100% digital KYC for Indian businesses, and easy onboarding for Malaysia businesses. It boosts your customer conversions with superior checkout experience on fast-growing UPI in India and Do It Now in Malaysia. Enjoy industry-leading success rates and avoid drop-offs with seamless payment flow. Razorpay has no setup fees, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. You only get charged when you earn money. Earnings are transferred to your bank account as per settlement cycle. Razorpay supports the WooCommerce subscriptions extension via Razorpay subscription plugin for WooCommerce. In case, of course, you guys to go into sell servers or hosting or anything like that that need a subscription, well, yeah, it has an extension that can help you manage that. And when a customer pays for a subscription item, you can accept recurring payments for the same on your WooCommerce enabled WordPress sites. Razorpay has affordability widget to spread awareness about the affordability based payment options before they reach checkout. You can integrate Razorpay affordability widget with your WooCommerce website to influence your customer purchases decision before you reach checkout by displaying various affordable payment options and offers. So let's add it real quick. Here I'm going to click on Razor for WooCommerce. I'm going to click on Install Now, as you can see, guys. So right after you click on Install Now, the plugin should be downloaded, and after that you will be able to activate it, as you can see right here. Now that depends on the version of your WooCommerce and WordPress. For mine, I have a localhost that is on an old version. That is why they are not compatible at all. Here we have like an explanation exactly how they work. So yeah, let's go through that. So after you install it, as we saw in the beginning, in here you go to WooCommerce, then you click on settings. In the settings area, you will be able to find general, product, shipping, payments, account privacy. As you can see in this image right here, account privacy, emails, integration, and advanced. Now all you need to do is to simply make sure to add and turn on the payment method that we have seen at the beginning. So here we have like direct bank transfer, which we do not want. All we want now is Razorpay, so make sure to turn it on. After you turn it on, the Razor Payment Gateway settings, you will have to go to manage, and then you will have to log into your Razorpay account. So of course you need to have an account like connected, so you can make the money go to this account. So yeah, so now we have to set up Razorpay payment gateway settings. To start things off, sign up on the Razorpay website with your email and select the particulars of your business. Then next, activate your account to access the dashboard. To access all features of Razorpay, complete your KYC from the Razorpay dashboard. Now on Razorpay WooCommerce settings, you have some details. Let's discuss all of them one by one. For example, here, enable this / disable. Use this checkbox to enable or disable the Razorpay payment gateway on your website. Title. Here you can write a title that your customers will be able to see during the checkout, so enter it. Description. In the section you can add info shown to customers if they choose Razorpay payment gateway during checkout. As you can see in this image right here, this is exactly what we are talking about. So Razorpay payment gateway. Enable disable. To enable to disable it, this is title. Just name it whatever you want. Description, pay security by credit, debit card, or international banking throughout Razorpay. And here key ID, key secret, and payment action, authorize and capture. So to find the key ID here, you have to enter the key ID. The key ID key secrets can be generated from API keys section of your Razorpay dashboard. Use test or live for test or live mode to test the whole process. And API secrets, enter the key secrets. To find the key, you will have to go to settings, and after doing that you will open the API keys, generating live key, then copy the key ID and the key secrets and paste them in the page, and right after that click on OK, and then click on save changes. Once that is done, this is how it looks on your checkout page. It will show the gateway, and people now can click on it and view the description, the title that you have added, and basically they can place the order now and pay using Razorpay. And yeah, that was basically it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them also in the comment section. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.